In this video, I will show you how to add contacts to Signal Messenger. So first of all, open up your app and then navigate to the Chats tab all the way at the bottom left. And in order to add contacts, you need to click on the pencil icon at the top right. And from here, you can basically start with finding usernames or phone numbers, or basically contacts if you have them linked with your Signal. And right now I do not have them linked with my Signal app, but if you want to link them, you need to go to your settings, and I can do it from inside of the app, but you can also do it from the settings itself. Then just go ahead and click on applications and then search for Signal. And then you will be in this screen where I am in right now. And then you basically need to allow Signal to access your contacts. So you can set this to full access or limited access, and you can select certain contacts. So you can just basically do what you want. But in the end, you can just link your contacts with Signal by doing this, and then you will see all of your contacts inside of the app, and then you will know everyone who has Signal, and then you can start chatting with them right away. So that is an easy way to add contacts to your Signal app. So you can also add people with their phone number by clicking on Find My Phone Number in here, or with username. So let's say you have some phone numbers from contacts and you want to do it manually, then you're going to click on Find by Phone Number, and then you're going to type in the phone number in here, and then you're going to click on Next. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.